Hello again, businesses people. I hope that you enjoyed our latest video with low investment businesses idea that you can do here in Romania. Now, continuing the series, what I may present you is a new idea, also under 5K. The new idea is an online shop. So today, everybody can start a business with low investment. The important thing is to be determined to work hard to do this and to have entrepreneurial spirit, because it's really important to know how to fix all the problems that may appear during operating the business. So this being said, let's see what you need or what you can do, or what are the ideas or the steps to do this, the online shop. So let's get started. So what do you need to do the online shop? First of all, you need to know that you can open the online shop even if you are not a Romanian. It's really important and easy to know that for everybody the online shop works the same in each country. Secondly, so let's see, first of all, to operate an online shop, it's really important to know that even here in Romania, you need to have a company. Either it's an SRL or a PFA, you really need a company, because you need to send the invoice together with the product to the final customer. Secondly, you need a headquarter, because you cannot make the SRL without having a headquarter. And in this case, we may help you with finding a headquarter for you, or to put to one of our lawyers' headquarters for your business. After that, you need to have obviously the investment. The investment meaning some money that you can start with, even if you purchase the merchandise directly from the supplier and you sell it directly to the client without having a stock. Even in this case, you need to have some money to start with. So the low investment that is necessary is 5K to start with. After that, which is the most important idea in order to open an online shop, is to establish what you will sell, of course, because nobody tells you what to sell. This is important to see if you can do something that it's already online, or if you can find your own product, or if you find your own design to put on the product. That it's up to you, but you need to see what you need to sell. And lastly, because also it's a really important thing, is to find yourself an accountant, because you are in a different country. It's really important to know how to manage, operate, and see what is deductible and what is not deductible. So these are the main ideas, these are the main advantages. So let's say that this is something that you must have in order to start. So let's go further a little bit, okay? Let's see how to start and operate an online business here in Romania, an online shop, because we are talking about online shop. It's indeed, in Romania, it's a good choice to start an online shop with a low investment, under 5K, even though the fiscal system is changing, continuously changing. Even this year, they said that the fiscal system, it will be a little bit changed. We will talk about this in our next videos. But even in this case, Romania is still a good choice to invest when you want to have a good business and to benefit from good taxes that we have here in Romania. So why you should open a company or an online shop here? As I said, the fiscal system, which is the greatest, and I've already talked about this fiscal system that we have here in Romania in our previous videos, so you can check on them. We let the link below on this video, and you can check about the taxes that we may have here. So fiscal system, then good professionals. For example, if you don't want to do it by yourself, you can hire somebody that can take care of your business, but that means to share to him your ideas and to actually pay a little bit better than the minimum salary that we have here in Romania. And lastly, the main advantage of the online shop is like this. You can operate the business here, you can sell worldwide, no matter that is Europe or outside Europe, and in the same time, you don't have to be here, you don't have to live here in Romania. You can travel, you can do whatever you want. It's just important to establish yourself a schedule in which you talk to your customer, in which you can deal with suppliers and clients, and after that you are free to live wherever you want. So this is the best choice, and together with the fiscal system, I believe that Romania is one of the best countries in which you can invest and do this kind of business. Let's see which are the steps to open the online business, because of course you need to operate and to do this having a company behind you. So first of all, you need to decide your niche. This is really important, because you cannot sell something that everybody sells, or if you sell this, you need to come with something which is innovative and can help you go in front of the others that are selling the same thing, not necessarily by having the lowest price. You can add something that makes that good, or merchandise a little bit better than what they can find here on the market. Also, another important thing is to decide your business model, or to see what you want to do. If it's a SRL, it's a PFA, you will have employees or not, and so on. After that, because we are talking about an online business, an online shop, it's really important to establish your online presence, which means that you need to make a website in which you can show the products, and you can purchase the goods and make it under your logo, let's say, and after that to put it on your own website. But this is not necessarily enough. You need also to promote yourself and to make people believe that that product is only yours and nobody else. After that, you need to make a team, because if you are intending to have good revenue and good turnover, that means that you need a team to work with. An online shop usually is not a business that you work by yourself. This can be done in pairs, in team. It's really important to rely on somebody else's experience to do this, so you can manage to develop a little bit faster than the others. Of course, you cannot do all this without having a company, so the basic step is creating a company and doing all this. It's really important to have this kind of model. Creating the company, after that identifying the product, making a team, selling the product, and that would be we have the online product. So anyone can create an online shop anywhere in Europe, but what is really nice in this country is the tax system, and it's really important that you can rely on people and you can have their help to go further. We have a lot of online shops that are going through, that are selling through Europe, and it's really important to see their model, maybe, and after that to expand it or to apply it to your own business. So that being said, let's see some tips for doing the online shop, what to do and what not to do. Okay, so we have like this. An online shop is the greatest business that you can open here in Romania, and you can operate anywhere in the world. Uh, this is the main advantage of this kind of business. You don't need to have technical skills. You don't need to be really well prepared. If you know how to buy some goods and how to sell it further, and to, no matter if they are goods, merchandise, or they are ebooks, music, and so on, videos, it doesn't matter. The important thing is to know how to take it from the manufacturer to sell it to the final customer. So these are these two ideas, and this is the road that you need to follow from the manufacturer until to the final client in order to be successful. So here are, let's say, some tips in order to promote and to have a good business. First of all, you need to find a good niche, either with low demand or either in which your competitors are not so well prepared. If you can identify this kind of business, then let's say that the success is 50% assured. After that, think that you need to make an e-commerce website that where to sell. By doing this, that means that you need to have some good platforms that you can work with in order to already have assured some some marketing, in order not to spend so much money by doing this marketing by yourself. One of the best platforms that you can work with is either WooCommerce or Shopify. Both of them are really okay, and we encounter this on our clients' business models. That means that and they grow really fast from the scratch until 500,000 turnover, which means that they really did their best job to do this. So think a little bit of the cost that you can that are involved, because you need to identify the good, as I said, to the manufacturer to see how much it costs. After that, you need to calculate all the packaging, the transportation, the marketing prices, and so on, to determine the final price. And after that, to put your margin in order to know if you will be profitable or not. This is also one of our best ideas, our best services. That means that you can rely on one of our accountants that will help you determining all this, in order for you just to know, if I sell one piece, how much profit will I have? If I sell 100 pieces, will I be profitable or not? And how much are the expenses? So these are some ideas in which you can be attentive, in which you can work a little bit, either with the help of your accountant, either with the help of other people that already did this before. So put it on the paper step by step and see it's okay or it's not okay. It's okay or it's not okay. It should be like this. You should have pros and cons for each step that you do, and after that you can decide if it's a good business model or not. I already presented you all the necessary steps that you need to do in order to open an online store. So let's start your own business with online shop. First of all, you need to make yourself a website in which you can have the product. You need the domain name, you need to build a website, and after that put it online. Secondly, you need the company. As I said before, you cannot sell without having an invoice or receipt to send to the final customer together with the good. Okay, you have invoices, but maybe some of the clients will be willing to pay by bank account. That means that you need to open a bank account here in Romania. And from my experience, the best banks to work with are BCR, ING, or Libra Bank. So I've already presented to you the steps that you need to do in order to make the online shop. I already gave you the tips that you need to follow and you need to be attentive to in order also to open the online shop. But let's start your own online shop, no, because we are here to see how it can be done. First of all, what you need to know is that to open an online shop, as I said, you need a company. But together with the company, you need a domain which is related to the company name or to the idea that you have, and the product that you have, to put it on that website and to promote it. So you need the website, but you need also the legal form to sell the product. After that, what you need, because some customers may ask you, okay, but how can I pay you? They can pay either through online bank, either through online platforms, either in cash, because here in Romania it's accepted also cash payment. But that cash payment can be done only to a courier, not directly to you. So if we are talking about the bank account, what is the most important of all is the bank account can be opened only with your physical presence here in Romania. So after you have the company and so on, you need to make a trip here to Romania to open the bank account. The bank account can be opened at ING Bank, Libra Bank, BCR Bank or Transylvania Bank. These are some of the most biggest banks that we have here in Romania and that I worked with and my clients worked with. So they are okay with going with this kind of banks. They are accepting foreigners, excepting, let's say, Banca Transylvania, because it's a little bit not so used to foreigners. This bank is mostly for locals. You have a bank account. Now you can accept also payments through platforms, via some platforms. And in this case, it's really important to see payment processors like Netopia, Euplătesc.ro, and I don't know, Stripe, and other companies that can do this in your behalf. And as I said, lastly is paying in cash, but in cash only to the courier, because it cannot be done directly to yourself. You have the company, you have the website, you have the goods, you have the bank account, everything is settled to start. Now you need the accountant, because in this kind of business you cannot operate without having an accountant. Why I'm saying this? Because you can sell wherever in the world, and that means that you need to apply some different things to whichever product that you sell and to whichever country that you sell. So it's really important to have a discussion with the accountant, which are your main markets that you are targeting, and to see if there is some different rule that you can apply or you cannot apply. So that would be about how to start your own online shop. As you may know, this is what this is the idea of online shop. Is an idea under 5K. I'm assuring you that you can do it, because you just need the company creation, the website, and some hosting for the website, and maybe some marketing, good marketing. All of this can be done with less than 5K to invest. There is indeed another option which is even cheaper than going to your own website, which is dropshipping. Dropshipping means that you can buy directly from the supplier, you sell it directly to the client, the good goes directly from, let's say, China to Portugal, or from China to Switzerland. It doesn't matter. There is dropshipping can be done also without involving too much, without staying in the same place, exactly as the online shop can be done. So this, let's say, are the main reasons, the main ideas, and the main tips that I already gave you to do this kind of things. To summarize, it's important to know this: identifying the idea, making yourself a company, finding a headquarters, finding a logo for yourself, setting up the place where you want to stay, and if you can live or sell from there or not, and also making a team and putting all this together. So these are the main steps and the most important of them in order to open the online shop. Now, what you can find here at MBV, you can find consultants in all these fields. We have good lawyers that we collaborate with. We have accountants. We are a team of 20 accountants that can be at your disposal in order to help you to make the right decision. And also, you may find here some ways to even gain some money from the local government by accessing European funds and so on. And now, what is really important to know that in the end, it's really important that to know that you can do the business, the right business, and taking the right decision by having the right people besides you. So don't hesitate to contact us. We are available anytime to give you our best advices and to help you to open a good business here in Romania. So let's see next time. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and of course to share it with others if you already like it, or if you have something that you liked from us, because not necessarily this, you can like it any video that we may have. Thank you very much.